Hey there, I'm Yussi and welcome to my home, where the hustle and bustle of shopping, cooking and cleaning all week is our way of preparing the Shabbos Kodesh. So, when that special moment arrives, we sit back, take a deep breath, and say out loud, Baruch Hashem, it's Shabbos. Today, I'm making a mushroom salad. And for bonus, we're going to add some salmon, so you'll have salmon with mushrooms. Some olive oil. I diced up an onion. Next, I'm going to add some celery. Just one stalk of celery. Dice it up. Let's give that a few minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to slice up my mushrooms. One of the most important parts of this dish is when you slice the mushrooms, make sure you don't slice your fingers, okay? Yum. It's gonna be so good. And of course, while you wait, l'chaim. Today we're using the Baron Herzog Sauvignon Blanc. One of my personal favorites of the Baron Herzog brand. Not only am I drinking it now while we wait, we're going to use this a little later for the mushroom salad. I want to add some of my garlic. You can use those different frozen ones also if you want. I'm just going to add it like this. Wow, it smells so good in here. Mushrooms in. So my son told me he once heard from Rabbi Arlovsky that he says he can also make cooking shows. It's no big deal. As long as somebody prepares everything for you and all you got to do is put it into the pot, he can make a cooking show too. Guess what? It's true. That's all you need. Somebody to prepare everything. So big hand for my daughter Mindy. Mindy, she's my producer. My son is the director, whatever, but my daughter is the producer. Oh, what? I'm sorry, my son is the coordinator. Daughter is producer. Thank you, Mindy, for preparing everything for me like this. So the cooking show goes 1, 2, 3. Oh, and I can't forget my wife for cleaning up my mess. Thank you, Race. So here we go. Let's spice it up a little bit. I have a little garlic powder, some black pepper. We're gonna add a little bit of soy sauce and the Baron Herzog, the Sauvignon Blanc. Delicious. Great for cooking, even better for drinking. Like a half a cup. So let's cover it now. Let that simmer on a low flame for around 7 to 10 minutes. I'll be right back. It's around 10 minutes later. The salmon is all prepared. Let's see what this looks like. Nice. Beauty. That's exactly what I want to see. Gloves on. So what I like to do is just cut my salmon slices in half. It's just so much easier to work with afterwards. Taking out a half a slice of salmon is a lot easier than taking out a full slice and having it crack on you, right? So before I put my salmon in, I want to thicken up this sauce. I want to get the whole mushroom flavor. I don't want to lose any of that sauce. It gets very watery. So I have a little cornstarch over here. And add a little bit of water. Just like that. That's it. Mix it up. This will thicken your sauce. Also, I have to add some salt. We didn't add salt. Very important to use these little mini thingies. Now, my salmon I've salted already in the morning. I just pat dried it. In we go. Just like that. You want to put in the bigger pieces first. Then you can put in the smaller pieces. All that stuff is technical. And the reason we're making so much now is because the entire crew that's here is waiting for lunch. So we have to have enough for everybody. Now you can start figuring out how many people work for the kosher.com team to get you an episode. So thank you, kosher.com, for making this worthwhile for us. Thank you, Baron Herzog. L'chaim. And let's cover this. We'll be right back. So here we go. We're at 9 to 10 minutes later. There were big pieces of salmon. You don't want to overcook it, because if you want to serve this Friday night warm, keep it on the blech or in the oven on in your warming drawer, whatever. So you don't want to overcook it. I want to taste this because I love salmon, and I love even more what I love mushroom. I just heard in the background my coordinator say, something smells fishy here. And the sauce you see over there? Oh shoot, I was supposed to use my disposable cutting board before when I was slicing my fish. I love the disposable cutting board, especially on Shabbos. I don't know what company, I'm not advertising for nobody, I just know I bought this online. The machaya. You take it, you cut it up, throw it in the garbage. Think about it. Okay, I'm gonna use it, so figure it out. Tasting time? Oh, 1 sec. We'll have to finish it. Okay, so I'm going to use my my disposable cutting board. I want to add scallions, a little bit of parsley, heaven and earth cold pressed lemon. This has to stay in the fridge. Oh, so I got my lemon in there. That's good. Oh, I got even more lemon in there. Well, enough. I don't know, sometimes you just want to squeeze a lemon, but if you don't have a lemon to squeeze or you want to do, well, here, use this. I forgot about it. Okay. There we go. There we go. A little bit of my plate, of course. So, you bring this out to the Shabbos table, you'll be the star of the show. Okay, let's go. Yum. Mushrooms next level. So good. Until next time, I'm Yussi Weiss. This is my home, my show. Baruch Hashem is Shabbos. Chaim Yoel. Looking forward to serve you in my new restaurant in Lakewood, Rehov Agrippas.